What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. You feel me? I hope you really are enjoying your day, and if not, I hope I can motivate you, inspire you to make like music, beats and stuff. So make sure to grab your laptop while watching the video. That way, like, learn the most out of it. You feel me? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. You feel me? Today we're going to make some reverse melodies. I really felt like you guys loved the last video, so I wanted to make another one and show you like the saws and stuff. So that's what we're doing today. Other than that, we're just like going to dive right into it. So let's get it. I'm going to grab like a plug sound from my one-shot kit. Fire, let's just record that in there. Alright, let's layer this sound and then we're going to like reverse it. But I just like want to make the whole like MIDI pattern. That way I can like just like copy and paste on different sounds and mess around with the whole MIDI, and that way I can like have full control. I've been using like this kind of workflow a lot lately and it's really like paying off. I've been making some fire, you feel me? Ooh, I kind of want like the chords to like stop, that it's not like dragging and playing out the whole time. Just like here, that little gap creates like a lot of bounce inside of your melody. Right here, I want to click reverse. Let's add some vinyl effects to this. My days! I do not know what to think about this melody, bro. That's fire. That's really fire. I think I want to add like maybe a bell or a plug sound and just like get the top notes of the melody and then reverse those notes and add some like chorus or something to like spice it up even more. Other than that, I think it's sounding super fire already. So I hope you can follow. If not, pause the video, work with me. That way like learn the most out of it. You feel me? There's one preset inside of Effect Track that I want to try and add to this. I think it's called Crystal Choir. Super fire preset, goddamn. Super fire in my opinion. It's time to add the drums right now. We really want the drums to like smack super hard, so I'm going to structure the melody a little bit. That way I have like full control over the melody. I can pitch it down, pitch it up, like all that good stuff. So let's get it. Like the 808 is super simple, but we're going to add another 808 just to like spice it up even more. The drums, I got this wormhole 808. It's like a super wide 808, but when you reverse it and mix it with the other 808, it's super fire. I'm telling you, really try to get creative with it. So right here, reverse, and then on the blank empty spots, we're going to add this 808. Right here, you can see the ghost note. So I want to have one here and then one here as well, and see how that sounds. Like you can barely hear this 808, but it really adds on to the vibe and the groove of the melody, like that dark vibe, you feel me? Let's add the kick from here. Wait. Wow, let me just like structure it real quick for you guys. Damn, this beat is crazy, bruh. Wow, what did we just make? It's insane. God damn, we really killed this beat, bruh. I thank you so much for watching the video. Like, we just went crazy. Like, this tutorial showed you how to make reverse melodies in the style of like I don't know who reverses samples like this. Maybe METROBOOMIN. I can definitely hear like this a METROBOOMIN type of vibe, maybe for like TOLIVER or 21 Savage, like that really emotional 21 Savage. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I'm active on social media as well at SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace. If you want to get any of these sounds, make sure to check out the link in the description to download them. Like, if you want to make something smooth and fire and ambient as this, like the SkanaBeats Space Essentials kit has your back. It has everything you need. What are you waiting for, my bro? Link in the description.